today's video we will be going to see, is it worth to migrate to Gulf or abroad in today's scenario? How much you can expect as the salary from the Gulf and from the abroad? This is what we are going to see in today's video. Hi friends, so most of our subscribers used to ask like what is the benefit or how much you can make if you migrate to Gulf or other abroad countries in the field of HSE. As a safety professional, if you migrate, how much you can earn, right? Because if you are not getting enough compared to what you get in India, then it is not a good choice to migrate to GCC countries or abroad. So how much is the scope we will be going to see today, and we will make an analyze, and I will try to share the salary ranges which is there in Gulf countries, so that it will be a good option and it will help you to make a decision if you have to migrate or not. So there are some factors which you have to consider before you migrate, like what is the position you are opting for, like you wanted to become a safety officer, safety engineer, or the safety manager. So these are the first preferences which you have to take care of when you start thinking of migration to Gulf or abroad anywhere, because these factors are very important. Some people used to think about these factors. Similarly, there are many other factors which we will going to see. For example, about the location preference. For example, for some people they will prefer India as the location. Others will prefer the Europe, the Gulf countries, the Canada and the US. So it depends on how you wanted to settle, where you wanted to settle. For example, I got some friends who are very much happy because they are getting enough in India, so they don't want to migrate. So this is the another preference which you have to consider before you migrate to any other countries, leaving your current job. Now we will be seeing what is the another preference. For some people it depends on the specialization. For example, some people wants to work in oil and gas, some people wants to work in construction, others want to work in factories and the plants. So these factors also is very important when you try to migrate, because it is not always possible that if you work in construction then you will get the same job abroad. If you are working in a plant, there are chances you may be working in some other scenario. So it is very important. Regarding the qualification, if you wanted to get more information, I have already made a video and the link is given in the description. You can check from there and you can make sure that you have the qualifications for the very same purpose. So now let us move to our discussion. What is the scope of safety in Gulf? We will be going to see what is the scope. So before discussing this, we will be seeing two videos. To these two videos you will be able to get an idea. So we will see both the videos first and we will decide what is the scope, and in our next we will be seeing the scope of the same safety in Europe and Canada. This will be the next one which I will be making very soon after this one, and need your feedback also, like what is your suggestions about these topics, and what all needs to be included in other videos. So now, as I said, we will be seeing these two videos. The first one we will see and we will discuss, then the next one, and we will discuss what is the best conclusion for our
है वो कोर्सेज आपको करने होते हैं। तो आप यानी सर्टिफाइड क्वालिफाइड हो जाते हो किसी भी यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी, इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी, कोई भी मतलब इस तरह की जो कंपनीज हैं जिनको चाहिए होते हैं सेफ्टी, बिकॉज सेफ्टी इज़ एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट इन एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, नॉट इवन इन यूएई, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, मतलब जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है.
So what does this YouTuber wants to inform through this video is like there are huge construction opportunities coming up in Dubai and in GCC, and there are lots of jobs which are coming there related to safety professional. This is what he mentioned in the Hindi language. So here he is emphasizing that there is a huge opportunities which is coming up.
मैं एक HSE इंजीनियर है. मैं सऊदी अरब में 4 साल काम किया है और इंडिया में भी काम किया है. 4 साल में काम किया सऊदी अरब में. मेरे को मिला 60,000 80,000 इतना मिला सैलरी. देखो वो सैलरी सब है ना उधर का, इधर लेके आएगा, कुछ एक बार शादी करेगा, एक बार घर बनाएगा, खलास. इसलिए मैं आप लोगों को बताने आया, जितना साल भी इंडिया में और मिडिल ईस्ट में काम करेगा कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. इधर आके कुछ बेनिफिट नहीं मिलेगा आपको, देखो।
So this is the second video where the YouTuber is emphasizing that he had already worked in the Gulf countries for more than 5 or 10 years, and he is not able to save a single pie because the expenses, everything, he found it very hard to meet. So this is what you can see, the two different videos. So what is the reality? So this is what we are going to discuss. What is the exact conditions and how you can take a good decision. So what is my suggestion is that it purely depends a lot on your salary expectation and your experience. How much salary you are expecting, this is the factor which is very important when you started to migrate, or when you plan to migrate to outside of India. Similarly, the experience is also very important, because if you have a very good range of experience, then you can see there are lots of opportunities coming up. But I must say, for the freshers, the chances are very less, because right now the industry is not getting that much job. But for the experienced guys, yes, the opportunities are more. As you can see, there are lots of new projects are coming up. So these two factors, the experience and the salary, is very important. These two factors you have to consider when you plan to migrate outside, because if you are getting the same salary, if you are able to cope up with your expenses in India, then it is better to stay back in India or in your home country. But if you are not, then I will say that you can start off migration, or you can plan to go for the other jobs which are there outside. So now so even though if as I experienced, if you start applying for the jobs, you won't be satisfied with the salary pattern. So what is the reason for that? Because there was a time when the certified safety professionals were less and job opportunities were more. So in that case, you were eligible for getting high salary. But now the scenario has changed. There are more and more people coming out who have lots of certifications available with them. So obviously the salary will also come down, because the industry is getting lots of certified professionals. So it is always good, or I will recommend you to go for higher certifications to sharpen your skills and to expect a increment. Now a very important portion: how much average monthly salary you can expect as a safety officer in Gulf. This is a very important portion. Many of our subscribers have requested for this topic to be made. So the statistics which I am going to display, or which I am going to mention here, is purely an average statistics. There can be plus and minus in the figures, but you have to consider this as the average salary pattern. What you can get in the Gulf. So we see the first position, which have experience of 3 years. This all positions for safety officer only. If you have an experience of 3 years, you can expect an average salary of around 200 to 250 Kuwaiti dinar. I have taken this currency for the reference, or equivalent 650 to 800 USD for the experience of 3 years in this field. Again, if you have an experience of 5 years, you can expect 300 KD, or you can say it is around 970 USD for this position, and with this experience. So you can see the experience is a very must. With experience, you can expect more salary. And now if you have 5 years experience, and especially in oil and gas, then you will get a huge increment. I must say you will get a huge salary, which is 350 plus, or it is 1136 in USD. Now again, if you have an experience of 5 years with all approvals, the approvals means all the PDO approvals, oil and gas approvals, or the ministry approvals, then you have the 450 to 600 Kuwaiti dinar in range, or you can say 1460 to 2000 USD you will be getting on monthly basis for this position with all approvals. So I must say, based on these statistics, based on these records, you can decide if you wanted to come, or you wanted to migrate to outside. So this is, as I said, this is an average records, or the average information which I have passed on to you. But in today's scenario, it may change because of the COVID and because of the availability of the projects. So it may change, but you can decide it accordingly.